Okay, welcome back again. The STEG MSK 1500 2 channel amplifier 2 times 100 if I'm not wrong. When you bridge it in the 4 ohm, this will make 1000 and 1500 watts. Okay, I have already set everything. Let's turn it on. I'm using a mid for this. Mid, I'm in the normal speaker, mid high. I'm not using for the sub. For the level, right, left, into the low pass, filter for the low pass, boost, frequency for the cutting. Not working for the high pass. This is low pass, high pass. Sorry, the sounds. Don't worry, they're gonna repeat again. Hope you can see the difference. High pass is working. Now in the band pass. No sound. It's working perfectly. You can see how beautiful of this amp. Very happy, powerful. But there's slightly minus for this one. You put like this. This one is unable to screw. Just for this bolt. For this one is fine. Everything else is fine. Like I said, this amplifier is only used for the several day perhaps. The previous owner used this for the competition, audiophile competition. Well, I'm not quite sure if he won or not, but this is the amp. They want to upgrade it to another system. There's slightly dirt in here as usually. There's some little bit scratch in here, very slight. I don't think you can see. Same like the other. The paint is rough paint, so if there's something dirt, you might have hard time to clean them all. Well, I guess that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.